Welcome to our Victorian cottage, where we had an old back boiler we wanted to replace, and we also wanted some new radiators. The boiler is built in behind that ugly gas fire, and that radiator there was an odd shape and placement, so that's getting switched up too. In the living room, that radiator is getting replaced like for like. Moving on into the kitchen, the water cylinder here will go, freeing up a massive cupboard. And this is the utility room, where the new boiler will take pride of place. The downstairs toilet radiator also needs replacing, along with the one in the landing. Hopping onto the BOXT website, I answered a series of super simple questions about the house and what kind of boiler we wanted, and in a couple of minutes it gave me suitable options. We went for the Worcester Bosch Green Star 4000 30 kilowatts and chose the date for installation. And here it is, being delivered right before work started on the day we chose. Gas engineers Craig and Louis arrived shortly afterwards, and after a chat about where we wanted everything, work commenced. While Craig got busy removing the old boiler and running the new pipework, Louis got cracking on the new boiler installation. Day 2 came around, and with everything now in place, Craig returned to finish up the boiler and fit the last 3 radiators. And we were done. The old boiler, water cylinder and water tanks from the loft all removed. We now just have this fabulous looking boiler tucked away in the utility. All thanks to BOXT, who made everything an absolute breeze.